Welcome to MRIK Auto. Today we got this beautiful one of my buddy Matt's car. It's a GLE 2023 53. So it's an AMG trim in it. And with the Saturn Pro black matte on this car, that's a factory color. It usually comes to our shop for a regular maintenance. Today also we're doing some mandatory services on this one. Also, this car needed interior detailing. That's what we are specialized for. So if you guys want your car to be clean from inside, this is a snowy weather. So a lot of the time your car got to be messed up from the bottom with the snow salts. Any of your cleaning on your internal cars, give us a call or you can book an appointment. We'll do newer cars, man filter, like the OEM one. So any of the OEM filter services, fluid services, you can hit it up, book your appointment. On to the next car. Alright guys, so we got finally this beautiful 2009 X5 out. Remember this from the previous video? Came from other shop, sit there for a couple of months. All the electronic problem on this one is fixed right now. There was one more problem while we was doing test drive. The previous place, guys, they just leave one of the coolant hose open. So when we make a test drive, it was showing a coolant top up. When we check it out, there was a clamp missing from one of the coolant hose on top of the red. So this time is the second test drive, and we're going to make sure we're going to give a good car to our customer fixed up before they're going to hit the road and they're going to hit the winter. So if you guys do have any of the BMW with electric problems, spare time, it's not a rush job. If you're looking in a rush, we are not the right guys. You can just go somewhere else. If you want, you can wait. We can make your dead car alive, but you have to wait for the car to get fixed. Because we are right now busy for 2 months. So if you guys do have any of the similar cars, hit us up, book your appointment. Let's go for a test drive. All right, guys. So we are out here. Let me tell you a little brief about this car. So when this car towed up, this portion is still open because there is a steering angle sensor, which is keep on giving me the traction control light. You see this thing? So the module from this one was a little bit up and down. So it was slightly water damage. So the common problem with the BMWs, let me tell you, Mini Coopers and BMW, if you have a panoramic roof on your car, prepare for this expense because by the time the drains get blocked, and when they got blocked, the water just stay in the floor underneath the carpet. And most of the Minis and the BMW have modules right under the carpet. Like the FRM modules are so common on BMW. They are right under there. And that's what create the biggest problem with the module damages, electronic shutdowns while you're going to drive it. So this car came in dead, but when we talked to the customer advised us like this was absolutely running fine before they drop off to another shop. So the only issue was this: when they drive it, the cluster goes down. Like immediately, all lights, all the gauges, they goes to the zero. That was the issue. Originally, the customer parked this to the other place to get fixed. But when we got this car open from this side, right on the firm module, right from here, right from the junction box was down. And there was another junction box sourced by a wrecker place. They put the invoices also underneath over there. And there was a tip-on box damage in the outside too. And there was a amplifier wiring missing on the back. Even the amp was missing from the back. So we try to get it sourced up with our suppliers. And right now, this car, clean. There's absolutely no problem. When it comes here, it was shut down. Heat wasn't working. Even the climate control system was not working. It this thing is equipped with a dual climate. They are the middies in the BMW from day one. They got dual climate. So everything from this section wasn't working. Even the panel was out from here. So we fix everything back to normal, and the screen is working right now. And this customer have a problem, like there was no music system was working. So let me tell you. So
Profound.
we got this radio.
December 24th. Shop in store or online
So
today.
that's how the radio works on this one. Plus, if you see on the odometer right here, absolutely no lights on over there. So that is the biggest win if your car park at MRIK Auto, because we don't rush. We fix the things with the patiently. There are a couple of parts which are back ordered on the most of the dealership with the make and model. Most of the imported cars modules, they are back ordered. All you have to do is wait for a while until we source it from states or anywhere else from the records with a similar car with a similar batch number. In order to fix it and make it proper like this, right now it's running real fine. And this is the 8th day. It's not the first day I pick it up outside. This is the 8th day. We keep on making a battery drop test on this one because the customer also mentioned if they park it for 6-7 days, the car battery got down and they have to jump to in order to start the car. So we just put this car like this for almost 2 weeks. Absolutely no charging was done. This car sits outside in negative temperature from a week and there is no problem. So right now everything is fine. So if you guys do have any similar cars and they stuck with electronic problems, do not throw them, don't scrap it. Consult with MRIK Auto before you're going to scrap your car. Maybe fixing with us gonna be cheaper when you're gonna trade in, because once the customer already make a mind to scrap the car, if we even fix it, they trade it right away. So if you want, we can fix your car, then you can trade it and you get better money for your expensive vehicle. And that's it for this now. Move to the next car. We're going to the shop. Guys, so we got this beautiful 2009 Audi A4 TFSI. That's another rebuild. Customer bought it by mistake. They don't know this car is eating oil right now. So this is something burning oil a liter in a week. So roughly 150 kilometers per liter. He's just burning out through the turbo. It's a TFSI 2-liter, commonly with a piston failure rings. So this customer choose to rebuild. We are going to put a rebuild in the first week of January, and we'll update you what we're gonna put it on this one, how we're gonna resurfacing head or lifters, what we're gonna do with that. Stay tuned. If you have any rebuilds for BMWs, Audis, hit us up, book your appointment. On to the next car. All right, guys, so we are wrapping up this video with this beautiful, we got this 2020 Hyundai Elantra. It came up for a regular services here. And this customer, they want to do the all mandatory service, comes on 100,000, which comes with the oil change, transmission oil fluid, and coolant flush and brake flush. If you don't do it till 100, contact us at 647-708-1300. Also, we are going to be closed from 22nd of December to January 5, 2026. It's a cold Christmas holidays. Merry Christmas, everybody. Stay tuned. Watch our exclusive content. Subscribe. Press the bell icon. Stay tuned with us. Thanks.